Our topic today is democracy. Who can tell us the definition of a democracy? Ìwọ. Torí pé o náwó náà mo ṣe pè ẹ́. Mo ti mọ̀ pé o lè náwó.
Democracy. Olórin wo ló kọ democracy náà?
Olórin tó kọ democracy. Mo ti mọ̀. Ìwọ náà dẹ̀ fẹ́ bá wa kọ WAEC.
Alágbára lọ.
Ó dà, jókòó. Define democracy.
Democracy for the people. Now you go tell me the one way you want.
Show funny sí ẹ. Kí ló wá ṣe ní school? Ìwọ náà fẹ́ bá wọn kọ WAEC àbí? O ní ìdí alágbe ní ẹ̀. Ṣé ló yẹ kó gbé báàgì ẹ̀ kó lọ máa ṣàgbé kiri? Èrè olórin. Jókòó. Who else can try? Sure.
Democracy can be simply defined as a system of government of the people, by the people, for the people.
A round of applause for him. Nice one. Can you tell us the three arms of government?
Judiciary, executive, and legislative.
Wow. Another applause for him. Sit down.
Janzi,